To be competitive in the construction industry, it's important to have the right tools for the job at hand. Safety, efficiency, ease of use and portability, ergonomic comfort. For the construction worker, rough frame carpenter, or anyone installing trusses for residential or commercial roofs, these qualities matter the most. Now there's a solution that meets those needs. The Ridge Runner from Longview Enterprises. Designed for safety first, the Ridge Runner provides a new level of efficiency when budgets are tight and time is of the essence. OSHA's guidelines for working on peaks or ridge beams are clear. First, workers detaching trusses from cranes or securing trusses at the peaks may be positioned at the peak of the trusses or rafters. Workers may be stationed on top of the ridge beam, where that is the only feasible way to secure rafters to the ridge beam. Second, workers at the peak, in the web of trusses, or on top of the ridge beam shall work from a stable position. They must either sit on a ridge seat, or the equivalent, or position themselves in previously stabilized trusses or rafters and lean into and reach through the trusses or rafters. And finally, workers must not remain on or in the peak or ridge any longer than necessary to complete the task safely. The Ridge Runner not only meets all of these important OSHA safety guidelines, but goes beyond that. The Ridge Runner provides maximum safety with ergonomic comfort and allows you to work more efficiently than any other product on the market. In fact, 40% more efficient. For instance, the crane can go to the next truss quicker and bring up 3 at a time. So how does the Ridge Runner work? Let's watch a master carpenter demonstrate the proper use of the Ridge Runner on the installation of a manufactured roof. To use the Ridge Runner, you must first preset nails on the trusses to the height you want to work with the Ridge Runner. This can be done on the ground prior to hoisting the trusses or in the air as you work. With preset nails in place, the Ridge Runners are sent up with the first set of trusses. Carefully, the carpenter steps onto the Ridge Runner pegs and kneels into the foam padded brace. Not only is our carpenter perfectly stable on the Ridge Runner, but he can also work hands-free without struggling to maintain his balance. As he works his way from truss to truss, the truss is positioned, he connects the stay lath and secures the truss. Notice how quickly he's able to detach the crane ties for each new truss brought up to the edge of the ridge. Once he's completed setting a truss, he simply moves the second Ridge Runner from the previous truss to the next truss, securing it above the nail that holds it in place. Slowly, he steps from the Ridge Runner he's been working from to the pegs of the next Ridge Runner. Carefully, he kneels into the foam padded brace and is once again safely secured to begin work hands-free on the next truss. From this demonstration, we can clearly see how the Ridge Runner allows our carpenter to safely and quickly set trusses. The Ridge Runner's design is ergonomic and provides ideal posture support for extended periods of time when setting trusses. This means you'll have less fatigue, allowing you to work more comfortably, safely, efficiently, and longer. It's made from lightweight and sturdy powder-coated aluminum, so it's easy to maneuver from truss to truss. This makes it easy to install and store when not in use. The inside of the Ridge Runner is lined with a durable, thick black foam that does not hold moisture to provide comfortable padding for your knees and legs while setting trusses. Another valuable feature of the Ridge Runner is storage. With a built-in forward compartment, you'll be able to store approximately 120 to 160 feet of stay lath metal ties within the Ridge Runner itself. It also has hooks for safely hanging tools like your nail gun, freeing your hands to manage several tasks while still in the air. Imagine being able to safely and comfortably work on each peak or ridge hands-free with up to 40% more efficiency.
I had planned on it taking us about 2 to 2.5 days, and we were done in less than a day. I believe it was like 6 hours, and all the trusses were completely set. We were able to save well over $1,000 in crane time and well over $1,000 in labor.
But even more importantly, when the Ridge Runner is used properly, it provides each and every worker with a cost-effective insurance policy. Construction work at any height is risky business. So instead of worrying about workman's compensation, disability claims, and the overall safety of yourself and employees, contractors who use the Ridge Runner can rest assured that their workers are more safe, productive, secure, and efficient than setting trusses in the traditional manner. Whether you're a general contractor, a rough frame carpenter for residential or commercial buildings, or even installing sprinkler systems, from peak to peak, ridge to ridge, let the Ridge Runner become your ideal working partner. Make the Ridge Runner your #1 choice for truss setting equipment.